Switch on your video.
Ma'am, your mic is mute.
मैम वॉइस नहीं है।
Ma'am, your microphone is on mute.
Sorry. Just now I am muted or from the starting?
No, ma'am, from the starting.
Okay. The phylum Arthropoda. Why we call it the largest phylum? Remember, in that when if we consider 100% species present on Earth which are existed, existed meaning identified, because so many species are yet to be discovered, waiting to be discovered. So 100 species, 100% animals on the earth, out of them 70% are arthropods only. Remaining 30% are Porifera, Coelentrates, Ctenophora, Platy, Esculmentis, Annelids, Mollusca, Echinoderms, Vertebrata, means all chordates. Just they all together form 30%, and that alone form 70%. That's why we call it the largest phylum, in which so many insecta belong to this one. And over 2/3 of all named species on Earth are arthropods. Then next, body organization. In that organ system level of organization, we have to follow the same one जो annelids में था. Now, bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, segmented, and coelomate. Right? Body is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Chitin, जो fungal cellulose होता है ना, chitin. So over here, body is covered by that chitinous exoskeleton. कॉकरोच के ऊपर पता है ब्राउनिश कलर आपको दिखता है, कॉकरोच का एक्चुअली कलर वी ऑब्जर्व ब्राउन. दिस ब्राउनिश कलर इज एक्सोस्केलेटन. देयर एक्सोस्केलेटन विंग्स है उसमें, right? So that is exoskeleton, chitinous exoskeleton. Remember, here body is arthropod body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. When we see the cockroach diagram, so this is the head part, then thorax segments, and then abdomen, like this. Segmented body होता है इसमें भी, head, then thorax, and then abdomen. Next, see, ये class insecta particularly. If we can see this one over here, one of the class is given arthropoda classification. In that, so many classes are there. One of the class, that's the insecta. organisms belong to this insecta, actually they are divided into these three parts. Their body divided into these three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Next thing, that this one, class Arachnida, in which spider, scorpion, right, ticks, mites are present. So over here, body is divided. Okay, this one, in this, body is divided into, just a second. Okay, see, which class Arachnida. Class Arachnida, in which the spider, ticks, mites, scorpion, these structures, these organisms are present. Again, this organism's body is also divided into same, like a insecta: head, thorax, and abdomen. Thorax and abdomen. Then one of the class, this one, crustacea, in which crab, prawn, lobster, this type of animals are present. So these are again arthropods because they have jointed appendages, right? So class crustacea, their body is divided into two: abdomen, one is the abdomen, other that's the cephalothorax. Cephalothorax meaning what? Cephalo term represent head, brain region. So in this crab, prawn, lobster, barnacles, right? In this, suppose this is their head part, head plus thorax fused with each other. Head and thorax fused with each other, and then their abdomen body is there, and then their jointed appendages. This is their abdomen, right? So head, thorax, and abdomen fused we call cephalothorax. So in crustacean body, remember, divided into two: cephalothorax and the abdomen. Clear? Then one more, that's now I am removing this. Class Diplopoda. Diplopoda, or else one more name, that's a myripods भी बोलते हैं इसको. Myripoda or myripods. In that, centipede, millipede, मानसून की सीजन में बहुत होता है ये. Centipede, millipede. Millipede in Gujarati we call कान खजूरो. आपने वो तो देखा होगा, right? So it's a just worm like shape, कान खजूरो, millipede, right? So initial part that we call the head, and then raised all part that we call trunk. So centipede, millipede, right? Myripods class, in that the organisms are there, their body is divisible into head and trunk. This information for NEET exam, entire. Crustacea, cephalothorax and abdomen. Insecta and Arachnida, head, thorax and abdomen, right? Myripoda or Diplopoda, in that head and trunk. This much you have to remember. And this last jo class aapko diya, that's the Merostomata. Now in this class, just three members are existing, three genera, three different genera members. Horseshoe crab bolte hain, okay? I'll show you the peak of that. See this one. This is the horseshoe crab. This one is the horseshoe crab. Next. So body of arthropods, remember, having chitinous exoskeleton. Body is divisible in general if even then go with this head, thorax, and abdomen. They have jointed appendages, arthros meaning joint, apoda meaning appendages. Then they have respiratory system. Now the respiratory system, in that respiratory specific organs are developed. See, actually respiratory system, we can say that starts with that system if asked actually. So we have to go with this one. That's the arthropoda. But at the end, we will study the summary of this chapter. So in that given respiratory system starts from the annelids, earthworm. Okay, earthworm generally respire with the help of the moist body surface. Ayushi, Shubh, switch on your video. Okay. So respiratory organs, example gills, book lungs, and tracheal system. Why this many varieties of organs in this phylum organism? Because see, it is the largest phylum, present everywhere. Aquatic hai, terrestrial hai, right? Aquatic hai, that's why gills are present. Terrestrial hai, lungs and tracheal system are present. So depending on the variation in the habitat, they have to survive, they have to respire. So they have different types of the respiratory organs. In that first, that's the gills. In this diagram, ये जो आपको लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स जैसे यहाँ पे दिख रहे 1 2 3 4 these are the gills like a fish में होते हैं same way gills and these gills help him to carry the oxygen from the dissolved water, right? Next, that's the book lung. Okay, in that, see, these are the lamellas of lung. 1 2 3 4 एक स्ट्रक्चर है देखो, एक पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है, यू कैन मेक आउट कॉम्ब लाइक, एंड फिर इसमें से ऐसे पार्टीशंस है, राइट? सो in this lamellae air is present, and in between this lamellae blood come and then gaseous exchange process takes place. जैसे हमारे lungs में होता है सेम वे alveoli में होता है, alveoli is filled with the air and blood vessels come over here which takes the oxygen, right? So same way over here, primitive type of lung like structure, so we call the book lung structure. This one we call the book lung. Then book gills जो है that is present in this horseshoe crab. Book gills are present in a horseshoe crab, this type of structures over here. Then tracheal system, fourth one is the tracheal system. So tracheal system, in that tracheal system, one of the example, cockroach. Okay. In that tracheal tubes are present. In this tracheal tubes are present. These tubes open outside from which the oxygen enter, and this tube further divided into small tubular structure and enter into the cell. We will discuss this tracheal system in detail in chapter number 7 when we study the cockroach. So respiratory organs, gill, book lung, and tracheal system. Then next, circulatory system, open type. open type of circulatory system. Remember, blood from the heart, it comes to the blood vessel, and these blood vessels open into their body cavity. So blood now again come into the body cavity. Then from the body cavity again enter. Over here pores are present. So through this pore actually it enters into that heart. फिर heart में से again body cavity, blood vessel and then body cavity. Right? So here blood vessel open up. That's why we call it a open type of circulatory system. Then sensory organs. Sensory organs, one of the example antenna. कॉकरोच में तो ये क्लियरली आपने देखा ही होगा, right? These are the antenna which can sense their surrounding, which is the suitable habitat for it. So this antenna helps in this to sense their surrounding. Then second one, that's the eyes. Some of the arthropods have simple eye, some of the arthropods have compound eye. Like example, cockroach. Insects generally, they have compound eye. See, what is compound eye and simple eye? Our eye is a simple eye, right? We can see the entire object image. We can see, able to see that's the entire object image. In case of this compound eye, if you can make out over here that this is the compound eye. This eye further divided into so many pixels like this, right? Each structure actually hexagonal shape का होता है, and each small ये structure that we call ommatidia. Each one we call the ommatidium, plural, it's a ommatidia. 2000 to 3000, this type of ommatidia are present in each eye. Now, do you know कि puzzle आता है, पता है, different shapes के, like this. We have to join them and make an image. So same type of image formation takes place over here by this compound eye. Each ommatidium receive a different, suppose this is the one object. Okay, one object in that here, this color, green, blue, this type of the colorful object is there. So our eye see this object from one time, whereas this compound eye actually can able to see this object in this pixel format. So each pixel, if you can make out this pixel, that sends the different image. This one, this, each one carry or sends the different image or the pixel, and all pixels join to each other and then make one entire image that we call, and that image actually we call that vision we call mosaic vision. This type of vision we call the mosaic vision, right? जिया बोलो.
मैम मतलब आपने बोला कि हर एक ओमिडियम में अलग अलग इमेज फॉर्म होती है, मतलब जैसे आप बोल रहे थे ना वो पजल का, तो जैसे जिक्सॉ पजल में अलग अलग पीसेस होते हैं वैसे दिखता होगा ऐसा?
यस लाइक सी, एक पजल में बताए मीन्स ये शेप है, फिर दूसरे में ये टाइप का शेप है, तो one ommatidium receive this one, other receive this one, right? And they all by joining to each other, it will can sense the entire object image. Jia.
Yes ma'am, clear.
Okay, that's we call the compound eye. Next, It has statocyst or the balance organ. Generally aquatic, okay, aquatic arthropods by swimming, okay, underwater, they require the balance. So for balancing, this statocyst is present, remember. Then excretion takes place through the Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules, see, this is the cockroach digestive system diagram. With the digestive system over here, this Malpighian tubule, 150 to 200 thread-like structures are present. These are known as Malpighian tubules. These are known as Malpighian tubules, which helps in to remove the nitrogenous waste product from the body. Then next, reproduction. Mostly they are dioecious. Sexes are separated. Fertilization, usually internal. Mostly oviparous. Oviparous meaning what? Egg-laying organism. Those organisms lay eggs, we call oviparous. In case of humans in that the young ones, okay, they are delivered outside from the mother. So we call vivipary. We are viviparous, and those laying the eggs, that we call oviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. Some of the organisms shows direct, some shows indirect. Like इसमें butterfly है, right? So butterfly है, so caterpillar larva. Like some other organisms are in which directly the young ones are carried out. So direct or indirect development. Then examples: Apis, economic important. Apis honeybee, okay. Apis indica, species name, that's the Apis indica, to make of honey. Then Bombyx silkworm, silk threads, right, from which we get the silk threads. Then Laccifer, lake insect. Lake पता है आपको क्या होता है? Lake देख लोन लेते हैं, फिर अगर कंप्लीट नहीं होता है तो सील कर देते हैं वहां पे, ऐसा आपने सुना होगा. गवर्नमेंट के डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी अगर होते तो वो भी सील. तो सीलिंग करने के टाइम पे पता है रेडिश कलर की इंक जैसा ऊपर वहां पे स्टिक करते हैं. दैट इज द लेक. दैट इज द लेक. टू प्रिपेयर दिस लेक इंसेक्ट्स आर यूटिलाइज्ड. Okay. Then next, vector. First, 3 examples for economic importance: Apis honeybee for honey formation, then silk formation Bombyx, and Laccifer for lake formation. Then vector. Vector for what? Which carry the pathogen to cause the disease. Anopheles mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito. पता है आपको? It causes which disease? Malaria. Right? It causes malaria. Then Aedes mosquito पता है क्या करता है? बोलिए कीर्तन.
मैम डेंगू.
Dengue, chikungunya, both. Okay. Then next, Culex. Culex, okay, Culex mosquito, Culex fatigans, that cause that filariasis. This filariasis जो था ना, okay, उसके लिए ये Culex होते हैं. Culex fatigans.
Ma'am, which disease?
Filariasis, elephantiasis उसके लिए. चलिए next, gregarious pest. See this picture for this gregarious pest. Example, locusta or locust. In Gujarati we call तीड़. तीड़ पता है? ग्रीन कलर का होता है तीड़. That is this locust. Genus name Locusta. Okay. See, वो thousands के okay, just in a group they attack the agricultural field. You can imagine, okay, human है वो भी इसमें clear नहीं. So many locusts are present over there, and it damage because thousands में होते हैं ये. So it start eating that the food which are present over that agricultural field. So it damage that agricultural field. Next, last one, living fossil Limulus king crab. This one, horseshoe. Okay, king crab, Limulus. Because I told you, very few genera are present. Very few genera. Classes के time पे last हमने learn किया ना. Very few, 3 genera are there only. So that's why this king crab, Limulus, that is considered as a living fossil. जैसे plant में gymnosperm में था jingo. Remember jingo in the plant gymnosperm. And over here living fossil in Animalia, that's the Limulus. Clear? And Arthropoda phylum. Arthropoda phylum Arthropoda, in that first, can anyone tell me why we call phylum Arthropoda? What is the meaning of this two term, Arthropoda? Maitri.
Arthro means joint and poda means appendages. So joint appendages.
Jointed appendages. Then next, body organization of Arthropoda. Body organization, very easy. Organisms belong to this Arthropoda. Body organization. Kirtan.
Ma'am, their body is divided into 3 parts: a head, thorax, and abdomen.
No, body organization.
मैम मतलब उसमें क्या बोलने था?
Triploblastic.
हाँ.
That is organization. Remember. Okay.
They are triploblastic, coelomate, and bilaterally symmetrical segmented.
Correct. Segmented.
They have open circulatory system.
Yes. Body organization in this up to here. Now, their body is divisible into which parts? Quickly. Their body is divisible into which parts? Ayushi?
Thorax and abdomen.
Head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay. Remember in Crustacea, cephalothorax and abdomen. In Myripoda, scorpion, spider. In that the head. In that again same. That's the head, thorax, and abdomen. Then that one more centipede, millipede. Right? Centipede, millipede, my mistake. That belongs to that myripods, head and trunk. Arachnida mein tha, that the spider, scorpion, head, thorax, and abdomen. Right? Next, exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Which are the different respiratory organs are present? Respiratory organs thing. Sakshi.
Ma'am, gill, buccal, tracheal system, and book gill.
Book gills, correct. What type of circulatory system? Jia. Jia, what type of circulatory system? Zil. चलिए, जयमीन
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Open type.
Please. हाँ,
Open type circulatory system.
very good, Jaymin. Open type of circulatory system. Next, which are the sensory organs? Zeal. Speak loudly. आपका कनेक्ट ही नहीं है. बोलो. Not audible. Kirtan.
Ma'am, antenna, eye, and stetocyst or balance organ.
Yes, eyes, remember, two types, compound and simple. Next. Arpita. Tell me the structure through which excretion occur in arthropods.
Malpighian tubules.
Yes, Malpighian tubules. Next. These arthropods are oviparous or viviparous? Jaimin, bolo.
Ma'am, oviparous.
Very good. Oviparous. Okay. Next. Economically important insect's name. Kirtan.
Ma'am, apis, which is honeybee, which gives honey. Then bombax, which is silkworm, which gives silk, and lacifer, which gives leg.
Leg. Correct. Vectors in that three, Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes. Then gregarious pest, which damaged the agricultural field, in that the locusta, locust, in Gujarati we call pid. Living fossil on the one. Remember, living fossil, ना highlight करके रखना. Living fossil, Limulus crab, king crab. Right? Chaliye. Do you have any doubt in Aschelminthes phylum, Annelida, and Arthropoda? Tell me. Do you have any doubt in this three phylum?
मैम
Go through this phyla. एक बार textbook में देख लो. I will send this note. Okay? If you have still not clear any word, line, statement, tell me. No? Good. Now, some question answers. Next time we will do mollusca, echinodermata, hemichordata, and we will complete this invertebrates. Right. All of this. We turn on camera. Okay, then, first question. Give me the name of aquatic annelid. Give me the name of aquatic annelid. चलिए आपको एक ऑप्शन देती हूँ. You can use your textbook. Open book exam, right? Give me the name of aquatic annelid. Still 2%. बोलिए मैत्री.
Neris.